Hi, welcome back to Simple Food Stories. Today, we're making Kar Assaly, or Egyptian pumpkin pie. Let's get it. Ingredients: pumpkin peeled and diced, sugar, raisins, cashew and walnuts, vanilla extract, cinnamon powder, unsalted butter, plain flour, milk. Phase 1. Let's place the pumpkin in a saucepan and add 3/4 of the sugar that we're going to use to the pumpkin. We're going to add vanilla extract and we're going to mix and cook on medium heat. Put the lid on, and in the meantime we're going to chop up all the nuts and stir in between. And we're going to put the lid on again, and we're going to cook until the pumpkin becomes soft. Let's check for doneness. Just slam it on there. We're going to scoop out the pumpkin juice for later use. Well, some of it, not all of it. Just scoop it out. And we're gonna cook further until the pumpkin absorbs all of the remaining liquid. Now we're gonna mash it up. Mash it with the back of a fork, just like with banana bread. Now, we're gonna melt butter for the bechamel sauce, and then add flour and start stirring until we reach a light brown consistency. There we are, stir that baby up. And we're gonna add half of the milk that we use, and we're gonna stir it again so that there's no lumps that are formed. We're gonna add half of the pumpkin juice and mix it well. And some cinnamon powder, mix that up. And now we're gonna add the remaining milk and mix it. Stir that up. There we go. Wow, that looks delicious. And we're gonna add the remaining pumpkin juice and bring that to boil. I have overused the word "and." I am aware of that. Until the sauce becomes thick. Wow, that is thick. Phase 2. We're gonna spread some bechamel sauce at the base of a 5-inch baking dish. And we're gonna start evenly spreading the mashed pumpkin over it. Wow, that looks really delicious. There we go. Just line it up really well. Make sure there's evenness to it. Now we're gonna layer with raisins and chopped nuts, the ones that we chopped up in the beginning of the video. Finally, we're gonna top it off with the bechamel sauce. There you go. Boom. Boom. Spread it evenly. Oh man, I don't even want to bake it, honestly. Like, why? I wouldn't even wait to bake it. I'd probably start eating it right away. It's ready to go into the preheated oven. And there it is. goes in at 175 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes, so the standard baking time, and Kar Assaly is ready. Enjoy, and until next time, this is Simple Food Stories.